Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we will explore SoFi in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has categorized SoFi as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.47. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 53.49% since we initially designated SoFi as a buy candidate 36 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.49% per day since it was recognized as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significant upward trend in the short term, and an even stronger upward momentum is indicated. Should there be any pullback, support is expected at the level of $10.71, which may provide a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, the next potential peak is projected at $12.04, representing a resistance level that might prove challenging to surpass on the first attempt. Over the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a possible change of 59.4%, with anticipated returns ranging from 33.26% to 52.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 0.773%, with potential returns falling between negative 43.07% and negative 6.71%. This indicates a projected price range from $6.39 to $10.47 after 1 year. In our latest daily update for SoFi, we highlight that the SoFi stock price increased by more than 7.16% on Wednesday. The SoFi stock price rose by 7.16% on the last trading day, moving from $10.47 to $11.22. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 9.94%, with a low of $10.46 and a high of $11.50. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, showing an overall gain of 11.75% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is worth noting that trading volume decreased by 71 million shares on the last day, with a total of 92 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.03 billion. This decline in volume amidst rising prices may indicate a divergence, serving as a potential early warning for changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $11.50, while the lowest was $6.01. Currently, the price is 2.43%, or 28 cents, below the 52-week high, and 60.30%, or $17.04, lower than the all-time high reached on the 1st of February, 2021, when the stock peaked at $28.26. SoFi Technologies is making headlines today, but not all the news is positive. Despite reporting impressive results for the third quarter, including revenue of $697 million and a GAAP earnings per share of 5 cents, the stock plummeted by more than 10% after the earnings announcement. Analysts attribute this drop to investor concerns over valuation, despite SoFi's CEO describing this quarter as the strongest yet. Interestingly, financial services remain a key growth area, with SoFi money accounts surging by 54%, indicating increased cross-selling and customer engagement. The company is strategically shifting towards a capital-light, fee-based model, positioning itself well for potential interest rate cuts, which could bolster profitability and expand loan book spreads in the long term. While some view the recent sell-off as a classic post-earnings dip and a buying opportunity for long-term investors, the market's short-term response reflects lingering apprehension around the stock's valuation. For those contemplating investment, the current turmoil presents a complex picture. Strong fundamentals juxtaposed with a reactive market. Investors will need to weigh these factors carefully as SoFi navigates its growth trajectory and market positioning in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned SoFi an equal weight rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Jefferies gave SoFi a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. Also on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated SoFi as neutral with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Citigroup provided SoFi with a buy rating and a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, Keefe, Bruyette & Woods rated SoFi as market perform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoFi stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also classify the stock with a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The chart today reveals mostly positive signals. SoFi stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $10.83 and $8.97. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and since then, the stock has risen by 60%. Continued upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MEMACD. It's important to note that trading volume decreased during the last session, even as prices increased. This divergence between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that might interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 39 days ago. Bollinger revealed a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 51 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a sell 23 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 45 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.47 and $10.18. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, SoFi finds support just below today's level at $10.47. If this breaks, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.18 and $10.04. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.04 between its high and low, which represents a change of approximately 9.94%. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 6.42%. Before we dive into the potential advantageous trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may go through downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 3rd of February, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of 3 cents. It is vital to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward rapidly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume to decide when to exit. On the downside, SoFi's first support level is at $10.47. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoFi from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of October, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 26th of September, 2024, Schopenhauer Eric conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Schopenhauer Eric also conducted an insider purchase of 891,694 shares of restricted stock units. On the 23rd of September, 2024, Keo Kelly conducted an insider sale of 9,308 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Rishel Jeremy conducted an insider sale of 68,081 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 52.5 to 1. Overall, insiders purchased 8,180,783 shares and sold 27,722,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.89, which represents a decrease of 2.98%. This stock exhibits very high daily movements, resulting in a significant level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 38 days ago. Is SoFi stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broken the upward trend, indicating a stronger rate of increase. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for SoFi stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the last day of October, we expect SoFi to open down by 16 cents and start trading at $11.06. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.